Cloud Computing Security for Cloud Service Provider ACSC. The introduction. The publication is designed to assist accessor validating in the security posture of a cloud service in the order to provide organization with dependent assurance security claim made by cloud service provider CSP. This publication can also assist CSP the offer secure cloud services. N. Organization cyber security team. Cloud architecture and business representative should refer to the companion document Cloud Computing Security for Tenants. Cloud Computing Asset defined the National Institute of Standard and Technology NIST Special Publication 800 to 145. The NIST definition of cloud computing offer organizations potential benefits such as improved business outcomes, mitigating the risk associated with using cloud service is the responsibility shared between the organization referred to as the tenant and the cloud service provider include their subcontractor referred to as the CSP. However, organizations are ultimately responsible for protecting their data and ensuring its confidentiality, integrity, and ability. Organizations need to perform a risk assessment and implement associate mitigations before using cloud service risk vary depending on factors such as sensitivity and criticality of data to be stored and processed, how the cloud service and implement and managed, how the organization intend to use the cloud service and challenges associated against on object risk assessment of using in-house computer system which might be poorly secured, have inadequate ability or unable to meet modern business requirements. This scope is of this publication cover infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS,